So you sent your seatbelt and your airbag module to Safety Restore for a repair and a reset service. You did so by placing an order online or talking to one of our many team members on the phone. You printed off that order confirmation, you included it in your box, and shipped it off to us. Now the question is, how do you track that order? You can do so by simply logging into your account on our website, safetyrestore.com, and tracking every step of the way, from the moment that you paid for it, to the moment that we processed it here in our facility, to the moment that we shipped it out. Enter your email and the password that you created at the time that you placed your order. That'll take you to a My Account screen where you can click on your order history and other relevant information to your account. You can also do so by checking out the link in the email with your order confirmation. Down below your order confirmation, you'll find a link that says My Account or Order History. Click on that, it'll take you to the login screen, and you can check out your order history from there. Here we have our order history, my info, my addresses. And click on your order history, and you'll see an order reference, a date, and its current status. Order received, repair in progress means we have processed it here in our facility, and we are now working on your repairs. This will change to ship once it's been packaged up, a label's been created, and it's waiting for a truck to come pick it up, or it's already left our facility. And here you'll see every step and then every moment that the status changed. Here below you'll see every service that you purchased. Down below your order history, you can also send us a message by choosing service and sending us a message. As your order status gets updated, you will see those changes in your account. Once your package to us has been processed in our facility, you will get an email confirmation saying it's been received and repairs are in progress. The same goes for when it gets packaged up, labeled, and marked shipped. Once that happens, you will get a confirmation in your email with a tracking number. That indicates that it's already left our facility or waiting for a truck to come pick it up. Thanks for choosing Safety Restore since 2013.